If you could use a human embryo to cure things like cystic fibrosis, sickle cell anemia, infertility, and Alzheimer's for millions, would you? Or if you could program your children to be your personal vision of beauty or intelligence, would you do it? All these human problems I mentioned seem like they could only be fixed by the wave of a fairy godmother's wand or by rubbing a genie's lamp, but in reality, the potential and the development of this power now lies in the hands of human creation, and that creation goes by the name of Crispr. Crispr is a biological circuit created by MIT researchers that acts in the same fashion as computer coding in relation to the human genome. In other words, it's a way to hack into a living cell via bacterium. This Crispr code is just plain miraculous in nature, and its abilities might have the potential to cure life-threatening diseases and disorders. But gene editing ability via Crispr has quickly become a slippery slope, a slope that has led to moral and legal dilemmas. Part of this sense of dilemma comes from the fact this bacterium code can be taken as far as being applied to edit human embryos, and in recent months, this potential of editing human embryos with Crispr became a reality to scientists in the UK. Gaining a license to edit these embryos allows the UK researchers to execute their experiments to discover potential treatments for infertility. While using Crispr code on human embryos is a milestone decision for the UK, researchers in China have also been using non-viable embryos for the past 5 months to research for a fatal blood disorder, but have been critiqued for using what seemed to be a, quote, unnecessary amount of embryos. While the UK is giving the go-ahead on CRISPR infertility research using embryos, some critics say the regulations cannot move as fast as the science is developing. The decision of use of embryonic cells in CRISPR research is in a way setting a precedent for similar research on an international scale. And as other countries pursue their own CRISPR embryonic research, it'll be interesting to see what moral and legal guidelines will be set. Will the research be approved to just cure diseases, or will it go as far as complete biological redesign? Share this story along with your own thoughts. For Penta, I'm Carly Kovac.